In this video, we're diving into how to edit with Descript's text-based editing interface. If you're new to Descript, this feature is a game changer, making editing as simple as editing a Word document. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to start editing your audio and video like a pro. Plus, you'll get access to an exclusive, extended free trial of Descript with a link in the description, so don't miss that. Descript's text-based editing interface simplifies the editing process by transcribing your video or audio into text. Once you upload your file, Descript automatically transcribes your content, and now you have the power to edit by simply editing the text. You can cut out words, sentences, or entire sections, and Descript will sync those edits with your audio and video automatically. It's powerful, intuitive, and a major time saver for content creators. Once your transcript is ready, you can start editing. Say you want to remove a or an awkward pause. Just highlight the word or phrase in the text, hit delete, and Descript will automatically remove it from the audio as well. No more hunting through timelines, just a simple text edit, and you're done. It works like a charm for streamlining your process, especially when you're in a rush. The real beauty of this editing system is how it shows you exactly where the edits are in the waveform. The highlighted text will correspond to the audio file, so you can visually track your edits, making sure everything flows perfectly. If you've ever struggled with editing in traditional software, you'll appreciate this visual feedback that ensures you're not cutting out too much or too little. You can also use Descript's overdub feature to replace words or sentences. This is particularly useful if you need to fix a mistake in your script without re-recording entire sections. Simply type the new text, and Descript will synthesize your voice and insert the new words seamlessly into your audio. It's like magic, and it works extremely well. So if you've ever recorded a podcast or video and needed a quick fix, this is a lifesaver. Editing in Descript isn't just about cutting and pasting though. It also includes robust features for adding captions, background music, and even creating multi-track projects. Whether you're editing solo or collaborating with a team, Descript's interface makes it easy to see everything and make adjustments in real time. If you're a content creator, especially one who works with interviews or podcasts, this is a game changer because it allows for quick and easy collaboration. And if you want to go even deeper, Descript lets you export your audio and video in various formats, making it easy to publish your content directly to platforms like YouTube or social media. It's a one-stop shop for editing and distributing your content. Now, if you're curious about the pricing, you can try Descript for free, but by using the link in the description, you'll get access to an exclusive and extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. So if you're ready to take your editing workflow to the next level, click the link and start using Descript today. Editing with Descript's text-based editing interface is one of the easiest ways to get professional results without spending hours learning complex software. With its intuitive design, you can streamline your editing process, collaborate with ease, and create content that stands out. Remember, you've got that extended free trial waiting for you, so don't hesitate to check it out. In summary, Descript's text-based editing interface makes editing accessible, fast, and efficient, and with the exclusive bonuses available through the link below, you can jump in and start creating content like a pro today.